Hey guys, today I'm checking out this portable air compressor that I received for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's a really nice one because you can use it with your car, with your bicycle, with some balls if you want to use it with. As you can see, it's a simple unit. You have the USB Type A and Type C charging ports. Right here you get an LED light and the port where you're going to use the air intake. Okay, we get a USB A to Type C charging cable, all the nozzles that we can use to pump different things. We have the ball one in here. We're going to use it in a bit, and the one for the proper tires. We even get the user manual, which I think that it's really nice. So let's go ahead and test it out. I'm going to use it with my car first right here, and I'm going to test it out with my bro's bike, and then with one of a ball. Okay, I'm gonna first turn it on. As you can see, it's ready. Okay, it takes a bit. I'm gonna take the protective film right here. Okay, as you can see, now that it's ready, we have it on PSI. We can change it to kPa, kilograms over square centimeters. Or once again, bar, we can adjust it if we want it, okay? Okay, I'm gonna leave it at PSI. And with this button, we can turn on the light, okay? We'll press it, turn it off. As you can see, we have different modes, okay? Which I think that it's really nice. I'm gonna take the air out of my tire a bit. Okay, I think that is low enough. As you can see, we can clearly see the difference upon my tires, okay? Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in like this. Making sure that it's tight. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on once again. And as you can see, it's on 4.5 PSI.
With the dual number LCD screen, we can clearly see the real-time and target pressure simultaneously, even when we are in direct sunlight. The memory function can recall your last setting, saving a little bit of time, and it uses an automatic shut-off at your desired pressure, preventing overinflation. Plus, with a high-capacity battery, you can inflate up to 10 tires from 29 up to 36 psi. And it can also be used as a power bank to charge your phone or any kind of other devices. The LED light features 3 different modes to use depending on the situation. It has a steady light for a night light or during car repair, a flash and SOS ones for emergencies, making it a great tool to have at your car or in your family vacations. It can be also a great gift.
Okay guys, so as you can see, it was quick and a breeze to use it. It didn't take that much long, and I just have to plug it in. And as you can see, I have this basketball that doesn't have air, and my brother's bike right here that also doesn't have any kind of air. So to use it with my basketball, I'm gonna first place the proper nozzle to use it with. It's gonna be one of those that comes inside the bag, okay? And it's this pivot one, okay? I'm gonna test it out first. Yep, in. Okay, and here we have the proper air recommendations for this one, so I'm gonna set it up upon that configuration first. I'm changing it to the basketball one and change the kPa, kilograms over centimeters, and this says it. Okay, now it's ready. Just gonna go ahead once again and puncture it and turn it on. Okay, just like that, it's ready. Okay, and I'm gonna use it with now my bicycle. Well, my brother's bicycle. Okay, this one says to inflate it up to 30 psi. I'm gonna change it upon bicycles. Change the measurement bar. PSI 30, 30. Okay, and take it cap off. And place it in. Turn it on. Okay, now it's ready. And well, as you can see, I think that it's really, really nice. You can use it on many different things. I think that it's really, really versatile. I think that it's great that you can set yourself the proper measurements that you want, making it really, really great option. Overall, as you can see, I use it with my car, my basketball, and my brother's bike. And I think that it's a really nice unit. It comes with many different functions that I think that is nice. It also has this anti-slip fit, so you can just place it up on the ground without having any trouble. Overall, I actually like it and I will really, really recommend it. See you guys.